Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rara Sajang Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 2312008. Here I want to explain about global market and business center. In today's era of globalization, the development of the business world is undergoing very rapid change. One of the main phenomena that has emerged is the formation of a global market and the growth of business centers in various parts of the world. The global market allows for cross-border economic transactions without significant limit, while business centers become strategic locations that support these economic activities. The global market not only includes trade in goods but also service, investment, labor, and technology. This make the world more connected and interdependent. On the other hand, business centers such as major cities or special economic zones play a role as the main driver of global economic activities. Next is definition of the global market. The global market is a system in which goods, service, capital, and information can move fairly between countries. In the global market, companies are not longer limited to the domestic market but can reach consumers around the world. The existence of the global market allows companies to expand their business reach, increase sales, and take advantage of opportunities in various countries. However, this also requires companies to be able to compete internationally. Characteristic of the global market. The global market has several main characteristics that distinguish it from the local market. First, the global market is borderless, where transactions can be conducted between countries more easily, especially with the presence of digital technology. Second, the level of competition is very high because companies have to compete with business players from all over the world. In addition, the global market is also characterized by the diversity of customer needs, which are included by the culture, economy, and habit of each country. Therefore, companies must be able to adapt their product according to the targeted market. Driving factor behind the formation of the global market. The development of the global market does not happen suddenly but is influenced by several important factors. One of the main factors is technological advancement. The internet, digital communication, and e-commerce platform enable companies to sell products to various countries easily. Another factor is trade liberalization, which is the reduction of trade barriers such as tariff and quota. This makes the flow of goods and services smoother. In addition, the development of transportation and logistics also facilitate the distribution of goods to various parts of the world more quickly and efficiently. Equally important, financial globalization allows the flow of capital between countries to be freer. Now is definition of the business center. A business center is an area or location that serves as the center of economic activities such as trade, finance, industry, and service. Business centers are usually equipped with adequate infrastructure such as transportation, communication, and another supporting facility. Example of business center can include large city, industrial area, and financial district. Business center often become gathering place for large companies, investors, and professional workers. Function of a business center play a very important role in supporting economic activities both locally and globally. First, business center function as place where economic transactions take place both in the trade of goods and service. Second, business center provide financial service such as banking, investment, and insurance. In addition, business center also function as center of innovation where companies can interact and share knowledge. This encourages the creation of new ideas and technological development. Business center also create job and exchange economic growth in a region. Is the relationship between a global market and business center. The global market and business center have a very close relationship. The global market provides opportunities for companies to expand internationally, while business center provide the facility and infrastructure needed to support these activities. Business center can be considered the heart of global market activities because it is here that various international economic activities take place. Without business center, global market activities would not run effectively and efficiently. The benefit of the global market. Participation in the global market provides many benefits for both companies and countries. For companies, the global market provides access to a wider market, thus increases sales and profit. In addition, companies can also obtain cheaper or higher quality resources such as raw material and labor. The global market also helps a risk diversification because companies do not rely on just one market. If one market experiences a downturn, companies can still survive through other markets. The challenge in the global market, although it has many benefits, the global market also faces various challenges. One of the main challenges is cultural difference, which affect consumer taste and way of doing business. Companies must be able to adjust their strategies to be accepted in different markets. In addition, there are differences in regulation and way in each country, which must be complied with by companies. This can currency exchange rate fluctuation, which can affect companies' profit. In addition, political risks such as change in government's policies can also impact business activities. The role of technology in the global market and business center. Technology plays an important role in supporting the development of the global market and business center. With e-commerce, companies can sell products online to various countries. Financial technology or fintech make financial transactions faster and safer. In addition, cloud computing allows of efficient data storage and processing, while artificial intelligence or AI help companies analyze data and understand customer behavior. In the future, the global market and business center will continue to grow along with change in technology and the economy. One of the main trends is business digitalization, where trade activities increasingly rely on digital technology. In addition, developing countries are predicted to become important players in the global economy. Another trend is The increasing attention to sustainability, where companies are required to run environmentally friendly business. Moreover, remote working systems are also increasingly developing. Conclusion: the market and business center The global market and business center are two important elements in the modern economy. The global market opens up broad opportunities for companies to grow, while business centers provide facilities that support these activities. Although it offers many benefits, the global market also presents various challenges that must be addressed with the right strategies. Therefore, companies need to have a ability to adapt, innovate, and a good understanding and of global conditions in order to survive and grow. So that can I explain to you. If there is mistake, I'm so sorry. And thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.